What is going on, everybody? Today we have a 2011 Chevy Cruze, and as you can see, it's been in an accident. And due to that, I'm pretty sure that radiator has a hole because it doesn't have any fluid on it. Doesn't have any antifreeze. And due to that, pretty sure it got overheated because we have some coolant in oil. The car runs, but as you can see, we have water in the oil. So okay, so I'm pretty sure that we're gonna have to replace the head gasket, but I'm still gonna check the compression. um, just to make sure. So the first thing that we need to do is to remove this oil pack with a torch. Yes. And that is a T30. Gonna disconnect the oil pack. Next, we're gonna remove the spark plugs. And as you can see, we have a little bit of water on the number 3 cylinder, but still I'm gonna check the compression. And here I have my compressor tester. You can always rent one at your local parts store. And so this is one the one that I used to use for basically most of the cars. But as you can see, I have this for so long, so I keep up. But so I have another one, same thread. It's shorter thread, but it still fits. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one. And here I have my gauge. And before you do the compressor test, make sure that disconnect your injectors or find the fuel pump relay and disconnect it. That way you don't have fuel coming in. It's not going to start anyway. But okay, so let's go ahead and start with the number one. And the way that you do this is you put your fitting, you're going to connect your gauge, and you're going to go ahead and crank your engine for about 5-6 seconds, and let's see what is the compression that we have. That one has a good compression, but I don't think that you saw all the fluid coming out of the cylinders. Okay, and let's go ahead and check the number two. So as you can see, it does have good compression. It does have enough compression to start, but as you can see, all the coolant is going to the pistons and it's obviously mixing with the oil. So we're gonna have to replace the head gasket. Alright guys, and that's how you check the compression. I hope this video helps you out. um Thanks a lot for watching and see you on the next video.